Hi everyone!
Hey, welcome back to my channel. I'm Johnny.
I'm Shorty.
And we're here to unbox another set of ultimate unboxing boxes from Gamestop. Sorry, we are kind of tired. I've been studying for my midterms and
we've been running
driving
around.
So as we were going around our local Gamestops, we realized that these purple boxes are running out. So that's why we've been driving around like a lot. Yeah, it's crazy. So definitely, again, just check your nearby GameStops if you decide to purchase it, just to make sure you guys have some, so you don't have to run around like how we were.
Yeah.
It was a long
Each
drive.
store has about like one or two.
Yeah, one or two.
So we had to run like 3 GameStops just for these boxes.
It was crazy. But it was worth it though, you know, because we really enjoyed what we got before. And then, so we just want to finish up the collection.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, you guys, so we're going to start unboxing one of our mystery boxes here, and then the other one would be under her channel, which I'll leave in the description below. Okay? Alright, should we get started?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go.
I'm so excited.
I don't want to get another
Goofy?
Yeah.
I just want one of each.
I don't even want a Webby anymore. I'm just kidding. Alright, you ready?
Webby? Alright, here's a Webby keychain.
Yep.
It comes with every single ultimate box. Mine too.
Yep, there you go. Just if you haven't seen our other ones, that's how it looks. Alright. Nice box.
The box? Okay.
Okay, so these are our Kingdom Hearts mini vials here, so you check that out. And then these are the list of what you can get from there. Or options, varieties.
Bag. These are pint-sized heroes, there's 12 of them. And then 6 exclusive.
So the exclusive are the Big Hero 6 and the Lilo and Stitch characters. So you get that too. Hopefully we get the exclusive. We haven't got a chance. I have a pen.
I don't have a pen. It comes with, I guess you get another mystery.
Oh.
No.
The vials. The vial figures.
Yeah, sorry, it's too late.
Okay, so for my pen, 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's exciting! Oh, cool. So I got a Mickey. We've been getting the Incredibles lately, so this is something new. So I guess, you know, you get different varieties, but by far majority are the Incredibles. Yeah, excited on that one.
Oh my gosh.
That's awesome.
That is so cute.
Okay, you ready for the big one?
Okay.
Dude, I hope.
Goofies.
Yeah, I don't want the Goofies. I have so many. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh! Oh! Alright, so I got Sora, you guys. That's awesome. I got the, I think it's the Monster Sora. Yeah.
Hey, I got
That's
Sora.
Awesome. Huh?
Yay.
What? Okay, so Shorty got this Sora. Cool. I think
You got one?
Yeah. If you guys haven't seen it, I did get one of those.
Ooh,
And this is my
yay.
first one, so that's awesome. Cool. So you can add that to your collection.
No
As long as it's not a Goofy, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Cool.
Which one do you want to open first?
Let's do the pint size. Yeah.
It's open.
So yeah, we have been getting a lot of Webbies lately. Again, I think what we decided to do is either give it away to you guys or bring some along the way when we go shopping, like Hot Topic or, you know, Lunchbox, and we see a little one looking at Pops, we might just give it to them. Yeah. But if we do, we'll definitely put it on video so you guys can check that out. I think it'll be fun to bring you guys along to see the expression on their faces.
Yeah.
And it will help us create more memories and stuff. So
It's our first giveaway too.
yeah.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Oh, come on. I hope I get Stitch.
Okay, he's small.
Mine is small too. 1, 2, 3.
A crocodile.
Oh
Okay,
man,
so
I got more Webbies. Just kidding. Alright, I got more Webbies. I'm gonna give her away too. I'm just kidding.
No, I'll give it away to
Oh, that was it from Princess
Captain
and
Hook.
the Frog? Oh, just
Right?
kidding. I don't know.
So.
Yeah, you might be right. You might be right. From Captain Hook. Cool. Okay. So I guess you should open one of yours first, and then I'll open mine after.
Okay.
You know?
Yeah.
Get out. Man, I have double Webbies.
So
Oh, man.
cute.
Spread the webs.
You should put the more so they can see them.
Yeah. Let me see. Let me close this box up right here.
I don't know what this. Oh, okay, it's a Mickey. I hope I get a black one.
Have you guys opened any of these unboxing yet? If you guys have, tell us what you get. Because again, we really want to know what you guys got. Hopefully something different, you know?
Yep.
It'll be fun. Okay.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Mickey! I think I already have him from my last video.
I don't know, maybe. But she got Mickey. That's pretty cool too. At least not a Webby.
I'm pretty sure we get a lot of Webby keychains.
Yeah. Ooh. That's nice. Okay. Ready?
Which one do you want? I want Goofy.
You want Goofy with the shield?
Yeah, he's so cool.
Yeah, and I think he's like worth $9, $8.
I think so.
Yeah. Ooh, so those pens that we get, they're about like $6, $7 per pen. So I mean, we can add that to the collection, and it'll be worth the price, right? I think. I could be wrong.
Yeah.
Ooh. Would you guys collect the pens too, or do you guys think like you guys wouldn't and just go with the pops?
Huge.
Mine's pretty big too.
One.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Ooh. Sora.
Oh,
So
okay.
funny.
So Shorty and I both got Sora. That's funny. That's cool. I don't know. It's pretty sick. I don't know if I have them. I don't know if I unboxed them or not.
Yeah.
I don't remember.
I don't remember either.
But we should definitely show. Do you guys want us to show our collection of what we got from these mystery boxes? Maybe we could do it on a separate video. Just like and subscribe and comment below. Let us know what you guys think. And then thanks for joining us today. We hope to see you guys really soon.
Yeah.
All right, bye. Have a great one.